Hello everybody and welcome back to Sly 2 Band of Thieves. Today we will be starting on the missions, doing Murray and Sly's missions today to get into those games. Alright, let's do Bear Cave Bugging as our first one. Seeing as how I really want to die. Apparently, I wish death upon myself. Alright.
Wild bears in the area have been tagged with radio tracking devices. If you can snag enough of them, we should be able to set up a receiver array around Jean Bisson's house.
I'm always up for bugging someone's home.
The first step is crawling into that bear cave and stealing the goods.
I'm on it.
Hello. Let's get in that bear cave and steal the goods. Alright, it's a bunch of sleeping bears.
The radio transmitters have all been tagged in their mouths. You'll have to sneak up and pickpocket it while they're yawning.
Sounds safe.
Stay clear of the thin, crackly ice. Walking on it is sure to wake the bears.
I'll keep that in mind.
And as a person who doesn't want to have to deal with that, I will not. Wow. That took a lot longer than it should have. Let's do this guy first. Now I gotta wait. This was dumb. Okay, how do I get to him? I know how to get to him now, but oh man, was that close. Do they have to do that every time? Four down. Wouldn't this make a lot more noise than me stepping on ice? Alright, 5 down, 1 to go. Ah, there he is. Other side of the cave, apparently. Fixed perspectives. How do I... Okay, I need to go back over. Ah, I see it. Ice climbing. Way too close for comfort. That might be the most annoying thing I have ever done. But hey, got all the radio transmitters.
Pull that off. Head outside.
Hi! Do I have to restart? See you guys at the other side. Alright, there we go. Man, accidents, am I right? Anyways, let's get out of here before I wake up another bear. Oof.
To form a receiver array, you'll have to place the radio transmitters in precise locations around Jean Bisson's base of operations.
Seems
Yeah,
easy enough.
huh.
Once you're in position, hit the circle button to place the transmitter.
I mean, I would have guessed doing circle button earlier by myself. Don't need you to tell me that, Bentley. And apparently this map's so big that it lags when I look in a certain direction. Hi. Are you kidding me? Apparently we're pulling a Contessa. Apparently this is the Contessa all over again. Wait, I don't need to sit here. Wait, how am I supposed to get up there? Ah, that's why. I had to get on top of Jean Bisson's house? Well, might as well do that now. But first, let's rob a man. A large gold, or a medium nugget. That's medium. Sorry about the lag, guys. I'm not sure why this map does it too. Alright. Wait, so how am I supposed to get on top of Jean Bisson's house? There is no higher points than this. Now, why every time? I'll have to figure that out later. Alright, well at least there's one over here. Oh! Oh wait, I passed by one?
Work up your ears, boys. I'm gonna tell you all the tally for last month. The blue lumberjack team managed to clear cut 120 acres of forest. Not bad considering they had to kill all them badgers to do it, eh? But now, the gold lumberjack team, bless their hearts, those boys chopped down 211 acres. Y'all hear that? 211 acres of progress. Almost brings a tear to my eye. But how much wilderness y'all have tamed. Keep up the good work, fellas. Not long till we can start putting up those track homes. Yeah.
Alright then. How do I get up there? Oh, I see it. Use the mountainside to my advantage. Now, how do I get up on top of the mountain? Not gonna lie, did not see that coming. Gosh darn it. Oh boy, that lag. Okay, Okay, fine, we'll do something else. How do I get up there? Oh. This is gonna take a while. Because that looks like the, well, other than the big lumber house, we'll try. This is taking a lot longer than I thought. Here's one, there's another. Where's that third one? Oh, that one I can actually get to, like, right now. Oh, the skills of avoiding a bottle. Waste. Oh, that bear. I need to get back up there, though. Huh. Nope. Gonna wait. What are these, bones? Either or. 1 second. Okay. Huh. Okay. And done.
Nice work. The array's up and running.
That took a while. Oh, next mission's right here. That was way too close. Let's rob this guy of his valuables. Another golden nugget. Whoa, that was gnarly lag. Wait, what am I doing? Huh?
Sly, I've detected what appears to be an ancient guide to log chopping that might be useful for the lumberjack games. Unfortunately, it's frozen deep in an ice wall.
How are we supposed to get to it? Wait for more global warming?
That industrial laser
Oh.
is used to cut through petrified logs. If it could be bounced out that window, with your help, I should be able to harness its energy to melt the ice wall and free the book.
How do I redirect that thing?
There should be a switch on the other side of this wall. Throw it and then head outside.
Okay. Okay, I should probably stop being so... I gotta stop being so quick about everything. Wait, where am I going? Oh, okay. Well, at least I now know where that is. Oh, maybe up here? No. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, you. At least I know where to go now, just to get the bottle clues.
Attention all you fellas working the sawmill. Make sure you keep a steady watch. A prowler's been spotted. We cannot afford to have anything happen to our log cutting equipment. Particularly that laser-type saw blade. We're gonna need it once we get to them logs up near Lookout Mountain. But hey, you know, you should
Ouch.
still enjoy yourself, eh? I mean, how many
That's just embarrassing. I gotta stop rushing this. Gotta take it slow. Gotta slow down. A sapphire. Nice.
Attention all you fellas working the sawmill. Make sure you keep a steady watch. A prowler's been spotted. We cannot afford to have anything happen to our log cutting equipment. Particularly that laser-type saw blade. We're gonna need it once we get to them old oaks up near Lookout Mountain. But hey, you know, you should still enjoy yourselves, eh? I mean, how many people get to cut?
You've done it! The laser's been redirected out the window.
Nice. Now let's go redirect it towards that iceberg. The, I already know, convoluted directions that we're going to have to take.
Now to get that laser pointed at the ice wall, you'll need to alter its direction with the crystals I put in your pouch.
I see. I just walk to where the laser stops, place a crystal, and it'll bounce the beam to a new position. That log chopping book is as good as ours.
Oh, come on. Immediately making me go all the way around the world for this. Please, hurry, the bear's coming. Gold bar! Yes! Embarrassing, I know, but I did press the circle button. Okay, I definitely know I pressed it that time. Wait, where is the laser? There it is. No! I just did that, yep. Alright. Gotta go back up. Not worth it. I'm going to die. Why is it going all the way over there? Just pass by, please. I'm going to die. I'm going to die a horrible death. How do I get up there? No! Okay, I'll remember that one for later. Gotta wait for him to... Oh, medium gold nugget. Really? This is the most convoluted, annoying direction we could be going in. That's not even close to where it should have gone, but okay. Sorry, but I need the money. A small nugget. Oh, well, I'm dead.
coming out of the deep freeze. I've never seen such a majestic creature. So full of life, so ready to live. So much for that. He's back in the deep freeze.
That's a dumb bad. That was a
Cheer up,
bad
pal.
joke.
We got the log chopping guide.
Sorry for all the lag, guys. I'm not sure why this game lags now. Although that does mean that I won't be able to play Sly 3 for you guys as soon as I thought I would. However, it does mean that I'll be able to explore other games beforehand then. And not even a single ability. Wow, this is gonna take a while. Murray's a big old jumbo baby. How am I supposed to get up there? I know there's a bounce pad like somewhere around it. Ah, there we go. Okay, that's weird.
Rumor has it that several off-duty guards meet in that cabin for an RC combat club.
This is going to be great. I haven't been in any RC combat since that job we pulled in Istanbul. It was awesome.
Oh, okay. Murray, why do you have to be so fat?
Those guards will never let you into the combat club without a disguise. That old moosehead should do the trick. Only there's no way for you to get up there. Hide out in this barrel while I send in Sly to steal the head.
That's mean, but okay.
Sly, if you can get the stuffed moosehead without being detected, Murray should be able to join the RC Combat Club without raising any suspicion.
Okay. I'm going to be rich. Oh, I did not see him. I'll get through it, trust me. Okay, well now all of them are rich, and now I gotta get out of this without getting caught. Yeah. Well, I mean... Are they all loaded? Nope, just these three. But hey, a ruby! A ruby. Oh, he's even loaded. A medium nugget. Oh, I don't even know why I did this. Oh, that's gonna be the new stealth thing. I didn't want to get caught in it while I was on top of it. Okay, I'm going to be honest. Sly should be ribbons by now. Nobody notices it, but when they make it so... The way they make it so that you can see enemies from a distance is they make them bigger as further away you get. But right as you start getting closer, they stop being big. They get small. Another large gold bar. Oh my goodness, I had to make it out of here alive now.
Murray, heads up.
Literally. Murray, heads up! Funk!
Hey, fellas. Any of you guys think you can beat the moose? Maybe put a bet on it.
Oh, I'm in, eh? I ain't got a lot of money for this wager, but there's no way I'd lose to a new guy like you, huh?
That RC combat drone takes some skill to control. Steer with the left analog stick and hold down the X button for gas. After you collect the fallen ammo, press the square button to fire its turret. Here's a pro tip. You can only aim the turret while you're stopped.
Oh, I don't have any ammo. I'm going to lose this, aren't I? Oh, this is why I hate steering. Yep. I hope I got all those gems and all that. I can't collect them if he's gonna get close enough to hit me. I make him hurt himself sometimes too. I win.
You won, eh? But I ain't got no money.
That might be okay. It all depends.
Depends on what?
On whether or not you know the location of the Northern Light Battery.
Oh, well, I guess I owe ya.
Wow. I still have a hard time believing Murray got away with that. But okay. Okay.
After reading through the log chopping guide, it's become painfully clear that to win in the lumberjack games, we'll have to cheat. I've constructed a plan that hinges around us acquiring an eagle's egg, which is more difficult than you'd think. First, Murray needs to lure a bear into taking out the local oil mains. Once destroyed, the pressurized oil should ignite and create updrafts, which Sly will then use to paraglide over to the eagle's nest, grab an egg, and then head back to the safe house. Thanks to Murray's undercover work in the RC Combat Club, we've learned that the Northern Light Battery is hidden in a silo nearby. The battery needs some serious modification if we're going to hide inside it to sneak onto Arpeggio's blimp. First, we'll short the battery with grapple lines on local boats. Then, we'll all break into the lighthouse and sever the power flow to the battery. That way it won't recharge. Given my electrical engineering background, this plan has a 97% chance of success. Pretty good, huh?
Uh-huh. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. For Sly 2, Band of Thieves.
Petticoat guards of mine. I should give them all the switch for not catching them prowlers.
See you next time.